The Harvard University's Tai Chi and Qigong conference was a milestone. Its influence is going to be immense and long-lasting. I'm honored to present worldwide accreditation. My presentation went really well, but the recording of it did not capture my voice due to technical error, except the last 30 seconds. I was in Singapore, government hosted Wellness Day with 2,000 people. So right now, I'm re-recording my presentation as exactly as possible, so there will be minor differences. Here we go. I'm going to talk about why accreditation is useful, what it is, how we did it, and my hope for the future. We are here because most of us know Tai Chi and Qigong has great health benefit at building inner strength, immunity, and harmony. They have been well shown with many studies presented at the conference. They are never more needed for the world today. In order for us to empower more and more people, we need to look at the participants' or learners' point of view. They would want to know if Tai Chi and the instructors are safe and effective. A well set up accreditation process provided the assurance everyone needs. Therefore, it's vitally important that reliable accreditation is available, safety and efficacy cover extensive ranges, more than what most people expected. Safety, for example, include emotional, environmental, and physical aspects. In terms of emotional safety, participants need to feel comfortable at the class. Let me share an old story. Yang Chengfu's uncle, who's the son of the Yang style creator, he was known to have quick temper. One day, he broke a student's arm during a teaching session. So this just goes to say lineage is not necessarily a guarantee for safe and effective teacher. You might think these things are not likely to happen nowadays. Well, it's not necessarily so. The more common situations of emotional safety are things like lack of respect for the participants, or one, the Tai Chi is too long or too difficult. Participants can feel put off or even demoralized. There are Tai Chi and Qigong movements that have high risk of injury. Instructors should know how to modify them. Some people might not know they have a medical condition, so instructors should know how to minimize risk of injury for people with and without medical conditions, as well as knowing what to do if they run into problems. Being effective is even more far-reaching. How much people enjoy learning Tai Chi and how quick to gain benefit are essential part of being effective. If people don't enjoy doing Tai Chi, they won't do it. They are more likely to adhere to Tai Chi and Qigong when they enjoy and gain the health benefit very quickly. Research and study has made immense advances on our knowledge in exercise safety, how people learn best. This knowledge will improve the safety and efficacy very significantly. Combining ancient wisdom of Tai Chi and modern knowledge of medicine will improve the outcome. It will ensure more people come to learn Tai Chi and Qigong and to gain more benefits. Not taking advantage of modern advances is not being as effective as possible, like working with health professionals. Patients would miss out the best treatment if we're not using up-to-date knowledge. A well set up accreditation system should incorporate up-to-date medical and learning knowledge. 26 years ago, our team composed the first Tai Chi for Health program. We took the challenge to create a short, safe, and enjoyable and effective program. Our team member consists of people with deep knowledge of different styles of Tai Chi, Chinese and traditional and modern medicine, physical and occupational therapies, sports medicine, and we also are very mindful of research work done. It took us a considerable time to come up with the program, and then we take another year to test and refine it. We have incorporated both ancient and up-to-date knowledge to create this seemingly simple and short program. Subsequently, many studies have shown how safe and effective it is. The latest study by the University of North Carolina has shown significant health benefit after only 8 weeks. In the year 1999, we started working with Arthritis Foundation to accredit instructors. Since then, we have worked with numerous foundations and health departments around the world, including Arthritis Foundation of USA, Australia, UK, Singapore, and many government bodies in USA like CDC, National Council on Aging, Administration of Community Living. And at this conference, very significantly, Dr. Janet Clark from VA presented VA accepted using complementary therapy for veterans, and how they carefully assess the safety and the efficacy of accreditation standards. Her slide showed Tai Chi for Health Institute certified instructors were the very first in VA's list. Over 24 years, we continue to work with experts, learn from research studies, learn from instructors and participants to improve the safety and efficacy of our training. An evidence-based and learner-oriented teaching method is the best. At the end of the day, it's how much participants enjoy Tai Chi and how much health benefit they have gained that really matters. That is why our program has reached millions of people around the world. By now, we have trained more than 50,000 instructors, and over 30 medical studies has shown how effective and safe the program and the teaching method are. The Tai Chi for Health Institute, a non-profit educational body, has set up a comprehensive study of being safe and effective. And while honoring Tai Chi, it provides multi-tier training for all levels of instructors, extensive resource material, and great supports. The Institute also set up and maintain competency assessments, protocols, procedures, ethical codes, conflict resolutions. Our comprehensive and practical preparation package allow participants to learn the required knowledge and skill to be an instructor at their own pace before they attend the personalized interactive workshops. Our assessment, including tests, interactive discussion, role play, personal interactive workshops, and good preparation are absolute key or part of our successful training. The Institute's website listed current instructors and workshops, provides locality guides for classes around the world. We offer monthly newsletters, online instructors forum, and full-time staff offering personalized support for everyone. Importantly, many like-minded people join us to advance our purpose, especially the 200 senior and master trainers. They conduct training workshops, offer supports to all instructors and participants anytime, locally and worldwide. They are the strong backbone of our institute. We believe practical and outcome-oriented, safe and effective accreditation is vitally important in order to reach and help more and more people. While traditional training has precious experience and it works well for exclusive groups, I cannot emphasize more on how important a reliable evidence-based accreditation is for health and wellness. We hope in future to collaborate with everybody to help establish effective accreditation, hopefully before some authority may force us to a bureaucratic form of accreditation. We are more than happy to share our experience and resources with everyone. You can find more information on the Institute's website or contact me. Important afterthoughts. It was great after my presentation to receive a lot of positive feedback. One thing that became even more clear to me is that our unique stepwise progressive teaching method is also a powerful form of therapy that further enhances the health benefit. It has the key elements of consultation techniques, for example, listening to the participants, encourage positivity, empathy, respect, and teaching one small section at a time and build on it progressively. The method actually incorporates also Tai Chi key principles of listening to the incoming force, absorb, redirect to facilitate harmony and grow inner strength. The teaching method is another way of combining modern medical and psychological knowledge and the ancient art Tai Chi. The end result is delivering health benefit even more effectively and enjoyably. This is another reason why over 30 medical studies has shown Tai Chi for Health program improve so many aspects of health, and then virtually millions of people around the world have benefit from our program. Remember, we are here to share what we know. Thank you for listening.